How to use Telegram marketing tips. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to use Telegram marketing tips. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, the first step is to actually promote your channel into social medias. To do that, just head over to Telegram, click on your Telegram name right here, and then click on this in order to copy the invite link. So let's click on copy link right here. And as you can see, the link has been copied to clipboard. Now head over to any social media apps that you have. It can be Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Pinterest, Twitter, or any of that. Just click on any one of them to create a post and then attach here your Telegram link and then post it. Then as you can see, it is posting, so people can now just click on that link and join your channel. Additionally, if you have a Facebook page, then you can also update your Facebook page to have this channel link right here. You can also add this to your bio and Instagram, like for example in here. So just click on this right here, click on edit profile. So let's click on that, and in here you can see the links. So just click on the add external link and then click on add the URL right here, and then from in here my Telegram channel, then click on check, and then as you can see, the Telegram channel has been added. So the second step is to actually add contacts to your channel itself. So head over to Telegram, click on subscribers right here, click on add subscribers, and you can add people in here or the contacts that you have. You can add 200 for free, and then others will have to subscribe by their own. So the next thing that you can have is to share this to your friends. So if you want to share it to your friend, you can just click on any messaging app that you have. So for me, I will just choose this right here because this is open. And then I can just type in on a friend, and then I will ask them to please share my channel. Then attach the link that you have copied earlier again and then send them to them. And then as you can see, it has been sent, so they can just click on that and they can proceed to their Telegram, and they will now be able to join that Telegram channel. So you can also entice them to join by giving a giveaway. So if you say that you're giving a giveaway, then that will actually entice them to join your channel. So the next thing that you can do is to register your catalog on TG channel. So to do that, head over to your browser and then head over to Telegram channels.me right here, and then just click on Telegram channels, and from in there just click on three dots, and here you can see this register right here. So just register and you can add in your channel that can be discoverable by website, and this website specifically by the website visitors. So just register your catalog and just type in your niche in there. So the next thing is to head over to discussion GCs. So to do that, head over to Telegram, and then from in there, just head over to any channel that has the same niche or relevant topic as you. So for example, is this right here. If this one has a discussion channel, or for example, this right here has a discussion channel, then you can send it to them by please join my channel, then attach the link again earlier and then send it in here, and they will be able to join this link by clicking on it, and it just will direct them to your channel. So just send it to any discussion channel that is relevant in order to not get banned. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to use Telegram marketing tips. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.